Niah family saga continues. It's alleged that the mom had L.A. Lewis in the autopsy room and failed to tell the father anything.
God on time. Bless up everyone on the panel. Wanna listen to me now and listen to me carefully. Seeing because my uncle I got said this once. Only once. Now listen. Let me mention the thing. Seeing chat. Me have to take it from the top. Now. A lady by the name of Opie, chat, listen to me. A lady by the name of Opie. She's not a TikToker. She don't know nothing about TikTok. She's a dressmaker lady. Yeah, thanks. This lady is not a TikToker lady. She's a dressmaker. But how I know this lady is my brother-in-law sister. So she come for me daughter do her ear, and when she come for me daughter do her ear, she said to me, say, you know, say, Niah autopsy I got done Tuesday or in Wednesday or Thursday. That's what she said to me while my daughter do her ear. I want to chat ear me, cause that one time me I go say it. So when Opie say it to me, she said to me, say, Niah autopsy I got done either Wednesday or Thursday. Me I wonder how Opie know that, because Opie are not TikToker. So me say, oh, you know that? And she said she know the people there, which is Slacky. Well, and me said to my, hold on.
Share up a live, this exclusive, share it up.
Wanna listen to me chat? Cause anything when me I say out of my food mouth, I chew me attack, so help me God. So this lady when you Opie, I'm a brother-in-law sister. And when my daughter do her ear, she tell me, say it go on Wednesday or Thursday. Right away now, me do so boom, and me jump on the phone and me ask Slacky. Me say, Slacky, you know what Whoopi tell me, say, Niah, autopsy I go on Wednesday or Thursday. So Slacky said to me, say, yo, how she if you know that? And she no work at the parlor. So me say to her, me say to my brother, say, well, me no know how she know that, you know, but she have links. So me say to my brother, say, me I go call the policeman and find out. Remember now, people me dep on TikTok and the whole world I hear it shoot out of my mouth. This conversation never go on TikTok, it go on WhatsApp with me and my brother. So me say to him, say, me I go call the detective. So people, me go so boom, and me jump on the phone and call the detective. And when me call Detective Roach said to me, say, call me Monday morning early. Listen to me now, chat. The detective said me must call him Monday morning early. So me say, okay, so me jump back on the phone with my brother, and me say to my brother, say, well, here I go on. Me call the detective, and the detective said me must call him early Monday morning. When me wake up Monday morning early, me beg a call and call the detective, because me never have any credit. So when me beg a call and call the detective chat, the detective said to me, say, yeah man, him Niah autopsy I go on. And him said to me, say, well, you have to reach there by 9 o'clock because the doctor them start work by the latest 9:30. So now, when the detective tell me that now chat, me did think of the same Monday morning. So me said to the detective, say, all right, me I go get ready right now and try to get ready and shoot out. So me go so boom now chat, and me text my brother 2 times. Me say, Slacky, wagwan, you hear anything about Niah autopsy? And him never reply. 2 times me text him on WhatsApp and ask him, and him never reply. So when me see my brother no reply now, me call him on the WhatsApp and he answer. And me I say, bro, you know, see me I text you if you ask you if you hear anything about Niah thing. And he said to me, say, no. He say, sure, tell him, say, it a go on, but she don't tell him when. So me now turn to him and say to him, say, at this morning it a go on, you know, because me talk with the detective and the detective say it will go on this morning. Listen to me now, chat, me now want nobody go say what me now say. So me now, me get ready, me and my daughter now, and jump on a taxi and reach over the funeral parlor. When me reach over the funeral parlor, whole heap of people was there, and me I say, but me no see nobody for me no see no family. So me go so boom now, me never have no Wi-Fi nor nothing, cause me dey on the road, people. So the lady over the funeral parlor, me go to the lady and me say to the lady, say, I am here because Niah thing autopsy supposed to go on today. The lady said to me, say, no, autopsy fit town. Now go on today. The country people, then autopsy I go on. So she asked me where me hear it from. So me tell her, say, the detective tell me. So she tell me, say, me must call the detective and make she find out. So me go up on my phone and call the detective and give the lady the phone. And the detective tell the lady, say, no man, him hear wrong. Me never tell him, say, today Monday. Me tell him, say, Tuesday. So me no know how him reach over the Monday. Now hear me now chat. Me never really hear him tell me say Tuesday. Cause me know Tuesday but me never hear. So maybe him could have said it and me not hear. But when him tell me the time, him say you have to reach over there early. You know, you have to reach there by 9 o'clock. Cause the doctor them are gonna start do them thing by the latest 9:30. Me know so me say to him say, alright my boss, me I go hurry up and get a beard and go over there. Cause me the think of the Monday. No chat. When me go over there now, after we confirm it, the lady confirm on the phone with the detective and talk to the detective and me find out. When me hear everything now, and me and my daughter did go there, we go back home. So we went there the Monday, nothing never go on, so we go back home. Cause now it confirmed to we now, say it go happen the Tuesday. So me come back on my yard now, and me link back with my brother, and say to my brother, say, well brother, me think kinda today, but I not today. At tomorrow morning, me tell my brother said to me, say, then hold on. If Opie never tell you, you wouldn't know about it. See in chat, if Opie never tell you, remember from the first of my conversation, me say is a lady where I'm a brother-in-law, my sister where they are Canada, husband, they are Canada, a film sister. My brother-in-law sister tell me. And if she never tell me, me wouldn't know nothing about it. So true me wouldn't know nothing about it now. Me wouldn't go on there. Me wouldn't know nothing. But listen now, chat. Again, me I go say it clear cause the TikTok with depend on the whole of Niah business depend TikTok. Maybe, just listen now TikTok, maybe the policeman would have called me. Me no know, but me never did get any call and me call him. Cause remember, say him have my number, so maybe him would have called me, me don't know. Now, where Slacky I deal with now, Slacky said to me, say, but no, Shernette no call me and tell me anything. So if you never hear, that means that me would not hear neither. Now, this morning, me get up and me go so boop. My brother-in-law come from Canada. So him say he want forward with me, but by the time him say he want forward with me, brother-in-law say, here what, drive me car and go on because the people them are going to come put on me internet. So me and my daughter jump in on my brother-in-law car and we head on to Spanish Town. We reach there late. Cause we reached there after 9. When I went there, Shernette did it and we greet with one another. We all in a good unity. We not have no problem. Alright, now chat. When we did it, we sit down and we all listen. No water wasn't there. No water not did it. So the thing delay. Them almost did a plan for put it off. Because they said they send gone for truck for water for come. And no water wasn't there. So because of that now, we all did it and thing. After a while we did it and a linger. Me sit down in a car, and when me sit down in a car, me see L.A. Lewis drive up. Of course, the crowd know L.A., so everybody start cheer for him and think. Niah mother never out there when L.A. Lewis come. Niah mother the inside of the parlor yard, sit down over there with her envelope in her hand, and she never knows the L.A. Lewis out the road. Me did out there in the car and see when he come. When me see L.A. Lewis come now, me pull my car door and come out, cause him go over there, so me go over there. When me go over there, by the time me walk and reach over there, when me reach over there, me see L.A. Lewis, I talk with Niah mother, and him walk in the passage, him and the mother walk go down to the passage. Me no know that way over there. I go over there. So the thing is, Me can't tell nothing. If a lady say at the first she has see L.A. Lewis and at first she know him, me can't say him know him before, me can't say me know him before. If she say I know she call him, me can't say she call him cause me no know how he know, but me know say I know me tell him. Me no know how nobody know is a lady tell me. You no get what me I say chat? So is a lady tell me, me know. Me no know how anybody else know. Good thing when me go there, me see Niah baby mother. Niah baby mother did it. Seen, me no know how she know. She say a CPR tell her. Seen, so that means say CPR know about it and tell the baby mother about it, but Slacky never know about it. L.A. Lewis know about it, but Slacky never know about it. You no get what me I say chat. So me never number for Morgans. Because she and them know one another. Whatever we are, however we are, me no know.
Time.
Yeah.
Question. So listen to me now. Shernet, which is Niah mother, said never see L.A. Lewis yet and he don't know him. But L.A. Lewis just left from which part in there and go over to Shernet.
Me no know when me come out of my car and go over there, by the time me reach over there, they were actually walking, going down the passage. Me no know if me go and ask for or anything. Me can't say that. So me couldn't tell chat that. Me can't tell nobody that.
But I told
if she said she
go down there.
Them did a walk, I go down to the passage. Me no know the passage area. In other passage area there, you pass some bathroom and then you da go around in an area where Autopsy there, or where the office them. Me no know how down there stay. Me never go down there. So me cannot tell. But by the time me come out of my car and walk and go over there, them already did a walk, I go down that side in other passage there. So when them did a walk, I go, by the time me reach over there, Shernet did have one envelope in her and one big envelope. When me go there, she did have it. Me never see she give him any envelope, but she did a look in at the envelope. Maybe she did a whatever in there. Me no know, me never did it, but she did a look in at the envelope. So she and L.A. did stand up and attack, and she did a look in at the envelope meanwhile. So
somebody jump real quick when me take down cool, when me take up cool.
So me can't come on the chat and say she give him anything or she take anything from him. Me never see that. Seen, but me know say him go over there and then did attack. So me say it as it is. So if Shernet did it, Shernet can't say yes, I see him where so he go as how me say it. Seen? See him as how me say it, I only that number me know. Seen? If baby mother is there, and when the baby mother did it, she say a CPR tell her so CPR know. L.A. Lewis forward. L.A. Lewis know, me no know if a CPR tell L.A. Lewis or how we know. I don't know, me can't put the pie and no cream in nobody mouth. Me ungo can't tell you no how me know. So if Slacky say, his mother could have tell him, yes, his mother could have tell him. But if his mother accept why, me no have to tell you because your brother know. It would have been an speculating say, well, if me see your brother come, that means me tell her, say, yeah man, she asked me if me tell you, and me say, yes, me tell you. But me understand where you are say she never did call you and she never did tell you. That means say, if me never did hear, me would not did it, you would not did it, whatever we are. But the greatest thing,
look how late you got there way after 9. Them things you talk about. So you not talk to her until after 9, you know. And she's there from after 6. And she not tell me. But yet so much people know. And me no know.
Father, nobody would have know unless a Gilly make the whole of we know. You understand me? And it's somebody tell Gilly and that you forget out of it.
yeah, so basically I just eat that female scene. So everyone who no just know say I just saw the thing go. Well, here we are going now. The concept of the thing, the next thing where me I go say. The next thing where me I go say. See? Because the whole of we are big people, the next thing where me I go say. Me did understand the concept from get-go. Me did understand the concept from day one. See? If Shernet talk from day one, he say, I want my son to bury right side of me, that's me can go and sleep off in grave. Me understand that, and I mummy that, and I wish is granted. If you say now, say, well, here, grant me back a wish then. Make the church in the body go on down here, and then it proceed down there. it would have fear still, but at the end of the day, if mommy choose and say, boy, she no want that, she want everything to go fear away, me, as an uncle, can't dip my mouth in that. My uncle can't say me that wish if it did happen down here, so. But at the same time, me no have no powers because I never me and mommy lie down, daddy and mommy lie down, and them have to have that. So me no have the powers. If I can tell myself, say me, I go tell her what to do. But it would have bring a joy and a happiness if it did go that way there, where the church in Guan that's down that side there, and then it bury in Guan down that side there. But, yeah, hear me? Who can go, and who can go? I just saw the thing go. But it would have did good still. If all who can get for go so far, could have did get for go, yeah, so. I just, that are my 2 cents.
Well, it come and turn on.
Nobody get it, not even from WhatsApp.
So, yeah, the comment turn off. Turn off by the comment, make we can block the people person, please.
Yeah,
Hey,
man, me there, Slacky. Boy, Slacky, me I go up 3 mountain and Slacky. I tell you, say, John Star. I tell you, me feel it, you know, Slacky, because let me tell you something. I same thing reach my younger brother, you know, but you know the difference, Father Slacky. Justice served to them same time. You understand? And it traumatized my mother so much. So when me see
God and time, mute a little bit, God and time.
when me see how me sharing it, when me see me sharing it, I behave them the way they it not sit well with me as a parent as well. You know, as a mother, I don't think no for my mother. Listen to me. No matter I keep saying this. No matter what you and the spouse have, listen to me. No matter what you and the spouse have, at the time we're not come now if we come and reconcile and ensure say the child wanna have together go lay down in a rest. You know, not go down in a shame and disgrace. And
Man.
That is this is exactly what the people them did want. They wanted for the mother and the father to have a drama, and be sure that them did really see this. She blinded by it. They wanted her to have a drama with this man so them can jog down the man and jog down, and she not realize that she only hurting herself because guess what happened? You as a parent cannot go to a postmortem and allow a stranger. You can't have a stranger enter a postmortem and a next family member. But you know what I'm going to say to you now, you know what I say to you now, God and time. You as an uncle, listen to me, you would have more authority. You should have run him away. And this I tell him to listen to me, yo, I'm my nephew, I need to go in and go see him. If it was me, that's what I would have done. Because he has no more authority than you because you're a next of kin. So
cool kid, hold on 1 minute, that's why let me tell you something. Me I go say this to you brawling. Let me say this to you brawling. You know what I see? Me get a beat, you know. And the beat now when me get a beat. Now listen to me how me know me I go talk this brawling pan the live. You know a beat now when me get. From me go which party Autopsy I go on. Me did I tell everybody say me I wait for when Autopsy I go on, me I go in. Me, God and time did I wait. Me I run up and down every minute I listen say when the name I go call for go in, me I go in for go see me nephew. Me know say from LA Lewis did they already go in already and body identify already and picture take and everything. And when everything done in the evening yeah, and things are going on TikTok, me realize. Because all along me did it, for the whole day me did it. I wait and I tell people say, somebody then do somebody body already.
Yeah,
and the third one I go be for Niah.
Yeah, because remember I said it on the live before you they come out. Say 3 body them I do today. Oh I know me know so much something. Me never have to tell people that.
No, you don't.
3 bodies were done. I did talk earlier. I said why the autopsy started it was because there wasn't any water there. I hear me ask Renee on the line if the water truck them come. That is to show you how far me the inside of this thing. Because me know some people were there on the ground. You understand what I say? So when them did I run out them out, yeah, me know all of them. So that 3 body them do today.
Oi!
So
you don't listen me no man. Me say me want ball. Me say me a big man and me say me want ball. Me say when me here. Listen, me people. Me say when me hear, you know, me say listen. Me never know say the thing go on already because all along me did it from morning. I go say when the autopsy I go on, me I go in. That the time that me no know say it done long time. It done long time.
Yes.
And me never know say it done.
Let me go on a look confession.
Time. When you say when you go to 9 o'clock, it done already?
No man, no, when me go to 9 o'clock. No, listen again, me rephrase it. Not when me go to 9 o'clock. When L.A. Lewis come, and when the mother and L.A. Lewis go down in the passage and go around in the area around there, so Mommy say she did already. Mommy, the body identify and body deal with, but me never know. So me still out there I wait and listen. Every minute me I tell them say anytime me name call, me and the mother go in and them thing there. So all along me did it, I listen out. I say boy, name I go call and then me and the mother we are go in and we are go can see. Me line up with mask and line up with gloves.
Yes.
Line up with gloves and mask and everything. I wait. I say boy, me I go in. Them the time them me don't know say from L.A. Lewis go there. Autopsy done.
True.
Mommy see what I go on and me not even know say done. But
That is a true.
know, but me did I wait and I say me I go in. So here all me get for seat now. Me get a chance for seat now when it I go in at the vehicle now. Then say somebody can go in. So I saw now me go in now when it in at the vehicle. So me get for look on him face. And then after me look on him face now, when anybody come outside now, a vehicle park up outside and me get a chance now to get a look and I saw me got to go take one picture. But me did want to go there when the autopsy I go on and see what them are do and all them things there. But anyway still, it only surprise me get when me hear say done already. So when everything done and when L.A. Lewis gone back over the other side and everybody have a drink and all them things that the time they done already and me I run up and down and listen for name. Me never know. So me I feel laugh out of myself. And I say boy, me turn myself with a claffy. Cause me left my yard. I said me I go with autopsy there and me want go see what I go on. And the pass and gone and me don't even know. So at the time when the general go down in the passage with the mother, if me did follow them in at that time there, me would have didn't know what I go on, but me never know.
Wait, hold up, uncle. Who you call general? I mean the scammer? Please don't let me upset for
Danny, behave yourself over here.
Yeah, he's a scammer. Don't call him no general.
But you know, yeah,
Scammer.
hold on, Garanta, you know what hurtful? At the end of the day, me him on life, over bubble life, and him a go on, and him ask me one question, and he say, who may I represent? And I tell him, Niah. And he don't even know Niah name. He don't know who is Niah. But he still gone view body. Eh? You allow this man
I'm tell you, say a scammer, man.
View. They still let this man come view your son body and he don't even know who is Niah. He don't even know who is Niah. But you still allow this man in to come view your son body and he don't know who is Niah.
The man who previous day was having a cup of toasting to the suspect and your son unaliving. Yes, they were toasting together. You know? Yes. And this is who you let
tell me sure that you go down like a big scandal. A big scandal you go down as me sure it. Yeah, you scandal your son, but make you look worse. You take away the pride from Niah, man. I swear. I tell you honest truth. As a mother, you take away the pride from your son. Trust me.
Well,
no matter where you
know, me is a man where right now still me just listen me no man, me dey on TikTok and me not tell no lie, me no know if it go so car, me no see it a drive, me a drive. The young me say to me say, L.A. Lewis post the picture them for Niah on TikTok. Me say post the picture. Don't make me inside him post the picture them. Me say what? Which picture? Inside the picture we go on for autopsy. Me say what? Then autopsy go on? She say yes, the autopsy go on already. Me say autopsy go on where? And me out here wait for if you go on and me don't know say go on.
And then do them some the police them to take him down and charge him. And then do them some the police them must take him down and charge him.
Lord Jesus have mercy for me, take a case and give me a pillar. Me never know say it did go on. I never know. Me dep on TikTok, so help me God, me not tell no lie.
And Father Slacky, Father Slacky, if you hear this, let me tell you, see, any of them do that, seek the advice of a lawyer and discipline him. Listen to what me I say to you, no, Father Slacky. Any of them do that, you as a parent, listen to me, no, this man is no parent. This man is neither a lawyer nor a police. If him do that, see the advices of a lawyer and discipline him to the fullest.
I don't listen as I say no, me no see it, me no know nothing about no page or anything. At the young me say it.
No,
right
say anyone do it. Anyone do it. Yeah, tell Father Slacky what I'm supposed to do. See the advice.
Well, people can go on and page and view and say if you up there, because me no know about the
somebody look on them page if you know, please.
Yeah, man, cool kid, if him do that for real.